Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis, starting from the BTC and the higher time frame as usual. However, before we start, if you guys are learning and enjoying from the content, do not forget to like the video, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and activate the bell so you do not miss the accurate market updates. Let's start from the Bitcoin CME report for the longs and shorts. I had a few DMs asking about how did we know that smart money will short at around $69,000. To be honest with you, I didn't know these type of indicators, especially on-chain data. Majority of them are lagging indicator, and you need to look into a long term. And these indicators, these reports, or this type of data will give you after the event takes place. And therefore, for me, always it has been and it will always be technical analysis on the first place. Then I might look into on-chain data analysis, which will help to the macro level. However, as you know, in this channel, I won't discuss the fundamental analysis, which I don't have the time and I'm not interested in fundamental analysis. If you're paying attention, 2021, 10, which is October 26th, right before that, around 25th and between 20th and 26th of October, they started shorting. This is a red line, dealers with a shorted all the way, and still they're shorting up to date. There is no indication that the smart money is longing at this stage. The smart money started exiting from the market at around $60,000 and $69,000. However, the system that we're following, as soon as I keep mentioning, as soon as you lost the red line with the white line, which is the smart money, then it is highly likely that you have to exit for the mid time frame. At the same time that, as you can see, the market started panicking at around, once we reach on the 20th of October, $67,000. At the same time, we started printing a lower highs. At the same time, we had a lower low structure. As soon as we touched to the white line, as you can see, harsh rejection, and then we saw a new all-time high at around $69,000. And we've been following this price action, if you remember, for the swing trade. Buy signal came as soon as we broke $47,000. And without losing white line as well as the green line, we never had an exit signal. And once we lost right around here, 0.618, the rejection from 66,500-ish, 400-ish level. And once we lost with this candle, white line, as well as with the same candle, 4-hour candle, we exited from the red line that was initial short signal. So average, if I'm going to calculate from 63,500-ish level from the entrance all the way to exit level, 63,500, 600 level, we had over 34%, 35% profit. However, again, I'm repeating that for those who asked the question, I didn't know where they're going to exit. As long as I follow the system, once it's going to give me entry and then the exit. So that's the thing. And therefore, I'm keep telling you have to have the on-chain analysis as your backup plan. And if you're an investor or mid-long-term player, you have to keep an eye onto on-chain analysis. Based on on-chain data, it's going to be very hard for you to trade without technical analysis. For the market and instant updates, if you're not following me, you can follow via Twitter at @the_magnate. Levels are the similar. 44,000, 44,500 is going to be our first resistance. And after that, we've got another resistance at around 49,500, $50,000. Without breaking those levels under the daily time frame will still remain under the bear's control. Once we lost, as I said, $60,000, daily time frame entered heavily under the bear's control. 4-hour time frame. Before we move on to mid-low time frame analysis, if you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing, and if you want to become an independent professional trader, or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense masterclass is available, where I'm going to teach you how to become a profitable trader in the market, and it only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master this all. And during the course, you will learn day trading, i.e. scalping, swing, and as well as the long-term as an investor trading systems. And the 4-hour time frame, the lower level of this 46,000, 46,500 is going to be very important on the 4-hour time frame. As long as we're going to be remaining below this higher time frame resistance, then it's going to be too early for us to talk about this level. However, in the coming 48 to 72 hours, if we're going to see a bullish confirmation on the 2-hour time frame, I'll cover in a second. Then once we're going to break this level, highly likely we will be testing 46,000, 47,000 in the coming days. At the same time that I mentioned in the last video, highly likely that we're going to see a volatility in the coming days. And still, we saw a minor volatility. As I said, below this resistance, at the same time, the upper line of this resistance is very important on the mid time frame. As long as we're going to be above breaking this resistance, claim it as a support, then highly likely the next stop is going to be $52,000 and $53,000. Otherwise, if we're going to see another rejection, one or two more rejection from higher time frame resistance, then the price action we may find all the way up to $36,000, $37,000. On the 2-hour time frame, as I said, 48 to 72 hour maximum. If we're going to break, claim it as a support, and then highly likely we're going to consolidate a bit under $46,500, and we will see from there on what will happen. We might get a rejection, or if we're going to get a confirmation on the 4-hour time frame to break this level as well, claim it as a support, then as I said, highly likely that we're going to see $53,000, $52,000. Otherwise, another rejection or fake out from the high time frame resistance, that we will see highly like $37,000 all the way up to $36,000. That in the past, the system that is showing 6 days, 20 hours maximum, we have been in this box between the green line as well as the red one about 10 days. Usually we're going to stay about 7 days. So in this scenario, you can see we've been exactly 7 days, and then price action started losing this red line. However, with the volatility on the lower time frame, we managed to go back inside this red line. However, it didn't accept, and then the price action dumped again. But at the moment, we're trying to stay above. As I said, if we're going to get a confirmation and support from lower time frames, highly likely in the next 24 to 72 hours, we will see a bullish scenario on the 2-hour time frame. These are the levels, play level to level, and we came to an end of this episode. And if you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.